Okay, so let me get this set up. Sorry guys, had a little bit of technical difficulties, which means I've got to edit this now, but it's okay. I'll do it later before I upload it. And so here is the next pack. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have Cufflinks, Baltoy, Chowchu, I think is how you say that. Sizzlipede or something. Galarian Zigzagoon. Cinetrix. Fire Energy. Drizzle. Evolution Incense. Salazar. And a reverse holo Pikachu. What was the rare in that? We did not get a rare in that pack. Hold up. Did we not get a rare in that pack? Something's wrong here. There was no rare in that pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. So it's this guy. So we did get a rare. I'm more excited about the reverse holo Pikachu than I was that rare. But anyways, you can't beat it. We have 2 ultra rares. Well, a secret rare and an ultra rare. So let's get out our sleeves here. And these are some Eevee sleeves. I'll sleeve these up. Like so. I probably might just make this a part 2 just because of the fact that I don't feel like editing it. We'll just have to see what happens. But there we go. 2 out of 3 packs is not bad at all. Plus we got a reverse holo Pikachu, so that's always nice. I don't remember if I gave you the code card of that, but there it is. And that's it for this video. I will probably edit this. I don't really want to, but I probably will. So leave a like, comment, subscribe. I try to upload as many videos as I can. And I'll probably, at some point, be doing a review on these decks. I don't know if I'm going to do that today, tomorrow, whenever. We'll see. But anyways, I hope you liked the video. Remember, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see all my content. And as soon as I upload it, never know, I might be doing a giveaway here soon. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Social Distance Nux.